Hello students, myself Sarama Malik, Assistant Professor of Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology. Today I discuss about some examples on chi-square test. In my previous lecture I discussed about the chi-square test. What about a chi-square test? So today I discuss about two examples. First one, a die is thrown 150 times with the following results. Number turned off and frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 119 times, 23 times, 328 times, 417 times, 532 times and 631 times. Test the hypothesis that the die is unbiased. Given chi-square 0.05 at 5 degree of freedom is equals to 11.07 and chi-square 0.05 at 6 degree of freedom is equals to 12.59. Okay, so here the number of classes k is equals to 6. Okay, the die will be unbiased if the frequency of all faces in many throws are same, that is the ratio of occurrence of the classes is equals to 1 is 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 to 1. Okay, so the null hypothesis H0 in several throws the occurrence of phase 1 is to phase 2 is to phase 3 is to phase 4 is to phase 5 is to phase 6, which is equals to 1 is 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 to 1. Okay, so this is our null hypothesis, and let if O is equals to observed frequency of a class in the sample, and if E is equals to expected frequency of a class in the sample. Okay, under 80. Okay, so the test statistic chi-square is equals to summation of FO minus FE whole square by FE. Okay, this the summation is extended over all possible classes. Okay, so and this chi-square is a chi-square variate with k minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is equals to 5 degree of freedom. Okay, so corresponding to the sample values, corresponding to the sample values of chi-square is computed in the following table. Okay, so first is class. We draw the table. Then F0, then probability, then FE. Okay, first write here class. This is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6. Okay, and last this is the total. Phase observed frequencies, this is 19, this is 23, 28, 17, 32 and 31, and this probability is 1 by 6, this is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, all are 1 by 6 here because it is a die, and this total is 150, this total is 1. Okay, so what about FE? FE means probability into 150, that is 1 by 6 into 150. Okay, so which is equals to 25, and all is 25 here. Okay, so all is 25, this total also 150. Okay, so as I say in our previous class that summation of FO and summation of FE both are same. Okay, so now we find FO minus FE, that is this is minus 6, this is minus 2, this is 3, this is minus 8, this is 7 and this is 6. Next we find FO minus FE whole square. So this is 36, 4, 9, 64, 49 and 36. And finally we find FO minus FE whole square by FE. Okay, so this value is 1.44. This is 0.16. This is 0.36. This is 2.56. This is 1.96. This is 1.44, and this value is 7.92 total. Okay, so the computed value of chi-square is equals to summation of FO minus FE whole square by FE. This is equals to 7.92 with DOF, that is degree of freedom 5. Okay, and from the given data we have probability of chi-square is greater than 11.07, that is equals to 0.05. Okay, with 5 degree of freedom. So with DOF 5. So the critical region is chi-square greater than 11.07 at 5% level of significance. Okay, and our computed value 7.92, which is not greater than 11.07. Okay, so which does not fall on CR, critical region. Okay, so we accept A0 at 5% level. That means we conclude the die may be biased. Okay, so next example. Sorry, the die here unbiased. We'll take here 80 is unbiased here. Okay, so next example. Survey of 320 families with 5 children each revealed the following distribution. Okay, so number of boys, and it is number of girls and number of family. Okay, so first family have 5 boy, 0 girls, and 14 family have 5 boys and 0 girls. 56 family have 4 boys, 1 girls. 3 boys, 2 girls with 110 family, and 2 boys, 3 girl of 88 family, 1 boys, 4 girl of 40 family, 0 boys of 5 girl, 12 family. Okay, so is the result consistent with the hypothesis that male and female birth are equally probable? The 5% value of chi-square with 5 degree of freedom is 11.07. Okay, so here this is a sample of 320 family, and which are arranged as number of boys, number of family. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, 14, 56, 110, 88, 40 and 12. So here we think the family of 5 with 5 boys, a family with 4 boys as the classes. Okay, so this is one class, this is one class, this is another class, this is another class. Okay, so the number of class here k is equals to 6. Okay, so we take the null hypothesis 80 is the male and female birth are equiprobable. Okay, that means 80 is the probability of male or female birth is equals to half. We consider here only male, as the probability of male and female birth are both are half. So here among 5 children, the probability of R number of boys is equals to 5CR half to the power R into 1 minus half to the power 5 minus R, that is 1 by 32 into 5CR. Okay, so among 320 family, the expected number of families having R boys is equals to 320 into 1 by 32 into 5 CR, that is 10 into 5 CR. Okay, so now we take here FO, that is equals to observed frequency in the sample, and FE is equals to expected frequency in the sample under 80. So chi-square is equals to summation of FO minus FE whole square by FE is, this is a chi-square variate with 6 minus 1, that is 5 degree of freedom. Okay, so the corresponding table is, first it is class, that means number of boys. Then it is F0 probability, then FE, class means number of boys 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. FO, this is 14, 56, 1110, 88, 40 and 12. This is the total, that is 320. Probability is 1 by 32 into 5C5. Okay. This means 1 by 32. So it is 1 by 32 into 5C4. This is 5 by 32. This is 1 by 32 into 5C3. This is equals to 10 by 32. 1 by 32 into 5C2. This is also 10 by 32. 1 by 32 into 5C1. This is 5 by 32, and 1 by 32 into 5C0. This is 1 by 32. So Fe means 1 by 32 into 320, that is 10. So it is 5 by 32 into 320, that is 50. This is 100. This is also 100. This is 50 and this is 10. Okay. So this total is 320. Now we find FO minus FE. So it is 4. This means 6. This is 10. This is minus 12. This is also minus 12. This is 2. Oh, sorry. This is to 10. This is 50. So it is minus 10. Okay. Now FO minus FE whole square. So this is 16, 36, 100, 144, this is also 100, and this is 4. FO minus FE whole square by FE, this is 1.6, 0.72, this is 1, this is 1.44, this is 2, this is 0.4, this value is 7.16. So the computed value chi-square is equals to summation of FO minus FE whole square by FE, this is equals to 7.16 with degree of freedom 5. Okay, and from the given data, we have CR is chi-square greater than 11.07, and our computed value 7.16, this is not greater than 11.07, so it does not fall in CR. That means 80 is accepted at 5% level. So we conclude that the male and female birth are equiprobable. Okay, so in our next lecture we discuss about the test for independence of attributes. Okay.